Hello everyone, welcome to the GRE and SAT Vocabulary. Today, the words we are going to introduce are acid, prodigal, exacerbate, coalesce, and acuity. The very first word, acid, A-C-I-D, acid, A-C-I-D. The meaning of acid is sharp tasting or sour. So we can use acid to describe fruit. For example, an acid fruit. This means the fruit is sour or sharp tasting. We can say an acid fruit. We can also use acid figuratively to describe someone's remark. So we can say an acid remark. That means what the person just said was very sour or was very sharp tasting. An acid remark. The second word we are going to learn today is prodigal. P-R-O-D-I-G-A-L. Prodigal. P-R-O-D-I-G-A-L. Prodigal is used to describe spending money or using resources recklessly and wastefully. So in short, if someone spends money wastefully, you can describe this person as being prodigal. We can see the examples here. Prodigal son. This is a very famous example because the prodigal son is a story from the Bible. So basically this son who spent the father's money wastefully, went to party, drank a lot of alcohol, and eventually he turned back to his father. So when he was spending all the money wastefully and drinking and partying around, we can describe him as a prodigal son. The second example here, there have been rumors that he has been prodigal with company funds. Here, this person has been prodigal with company funds. It means this person spent the company's money wastefully. If you pay attention here, you can see that the collocation with prodigal is with. So you can use be prodigal with the money, any kind of money. So here, the company's funds. So be prodigal with the company's funds means you spend the company's money recklessly and wastefully. The third word for today is exacerbate. E-X-A-C-E-R-B-A-T-E. Exacerbate. E-X-A-C-E-R-B-A-T-E. Exacerbate is make something worse. So, we can see the example here. What you just say would only exacerbate the problem. This means a problem is something really bad. If you make it worse, you can say exacerbate the problem. So be careful of what you say. Make sure you do not make the problem worse. Make sure you do not exacerbate the problem. The second example. The policy is going to exacerbate existing inequalities. We all know inequality is something bad. So if you make this bad thing even worse, you make it even more unequal, you can say exacerbate inequalities. So here the policy is going to make the rich people richer and poor people poorer. So we can say the policy is going to exacerbate existing inequalities. The fourth word for today is coalesce. C-O-A-L-E-S-C-E. Coalesce. C-O-A-L-E-S-C-E. Coalesce means come together to form one mass or one thing. So basically, if there are many different things and they come together, you can say they coalesce. Let's look at the examples here. They try to coalesce those strategies and learn how to survive collectively. So we can see here, coalesce those strategies. It means they put different strategies together So they combine many different strategies. We can say they coalesce those strategies. So they coalesce the strategy and form one big strategy. They can learn how to survive collectively. Let's look at a second example here. We must coalesce as humans to discuss the solutions. So here, coalesce as humans basically means come together as humans. So instead of saying we must come together as humans to discuss the solutions, the GRE way is we must coalesce as humans to discuss the solution. So coalesce, come together to form one thing. If you are memorizing coalesce, I would recommend you to also memorize correlation. Correlation is a noun. It means joining together of different things or different parties. So it basically is the noun form of coalesce. We can see the example here. By forming a coalition, the rebels and the opposition parties defeated the government. So it basically means the rebels and the opposition parties, they come together, and together they form one big thing, and this one thing defeat the government. So here we can use forming a correlation, forming one big thing from many different things. Alright, time to the very last word for today, acuity. A-C-U-I-T-Y, acuity, A-C-U-I-T-Y. Acuity means sharpness of thought or vision. We can look at the examples here. Brilliant people can use their intellectual acuity to solve tough problems. Here we can see intellectual acuity. It means intellectual sharpness, and it basically means smartness. So next time, if you are going to use smartness, try to use the GRE way, which is intellectual acuity instead. So here, brilliant people can use their intellectual acuity. Pretty much means brilliant people can use their smartness. Let's look at a second example here. Her incredible mental acuity impresses everyone in the room. Again here, mental acuity. We know that mental is something related to the brain. So mental acuity is the brain's sharpness of thought or the brain's vision. And it also basically means smartness. So again, next time if you are going to use smartness, try to use mental acuity instead. So again here, her incredible mental acuity or her incredible smartness impresses everyone in the room. Alright, that's it for today's video. And if you like the video, please smash the like button and subscribe our channel and share the video with your friends. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.